Why does your scanner show the P0436 engine code? And what does it mean? P0436 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalytic temperature sensor circuit range or performance. Bank 2, Sensor 1. This error code indicates that the ECM or PCM has detected a fault in the catalyst temperature sensor circuit. Bank 2, Sensor 1. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Temperature sensor, damaged wires, exhaust leaks, failing catalytic converter, engine running rich or lean. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Nissan, Chevrolet, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.